Health industry is one of the most emerging industry after IT. Health industry has shown rapid growth and tremendous development and demand as compared to any other industry. Proveda is one of the leading manufacturers of healthcare products that caters to 14 countries across the world. Proveda Herbal Pvt Ltd was incorporated in 2010 under the Companies Act 1956. Proveda Herbal Pvt Ltd started with a vision to provide natural and organic personal care, skin care, hair care and body care products across the globe. Proveda Herbal Pvt Ltd was started by young visionary entrepreneur, Aseem Sood, at the age of 25 and has achieved a lot of milestone year on year. They had strong code of ethic from the first day, and that had been their strength of strong and long-term growth. For the last 10 years since its inception, Proveda has created a lot of milestones such as manufacturing for more than 140 companies in the world, presence in more than 14 countries across the world, successful launch of 4 brands in India with presence in 12 states, 700 distributors, 22,000 retail shops and 6,500 salons. 36 company-owned and company-operated slimming and beauty clinic in India. Family of more than 750 employees. Year-on-year 120% turnover growth. Proveda's unique products concept is a combination of Ayurveda and latest biotechnology. Our product category are nutrition, beauty, home care, personal care, agriculture. Become a Proveda associate today.